Talofa guys, good morning. It is Sunday morning here in Samoa. It's about a little after 4 a.m. at the moment. Special for Talofa to everyone. Also a big happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everyone, all the mothers of our channel. If you're tuning in, wishing you all a happy Mother's Day. Me and Siave here, just kicking off the umu with the usual preparations while we await Uncle and Loy, who will join us later. So a very special episode today. My mom will be joining us for Toonai here in Lefanga. So she'll be coming over to head to church with the wife and the kids. And then we'll have Toonai together also with my wife's family. So a big Toonai today. So that's why we are starting early again. I think there might be a lot of preparations from what I heard so far. Last night, the things we might have to cook. There is octopus, there is oka, raw fish in coconut cream. There's lupe, so pigeon. There is soup, ham, crabs, and then the umu. We're also having a size 2 on the umu, so we'll try and fit that in so that our content doesn't get demonetized. So I usually have to figure out how to do it properly, so that once we post up the episode, it's still good. But sit back and relax. I hope you guys enjoy the content today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and get started now. So I'm gonna get cracking on the taro while Siave will get started on the coconuts. Alright team, we have just finished, the oven was now baking, so we're going to give it about an hour and 5 minutes only because so we did some well, not the faiai, we did the faiai on the omu, but it's now on the stove only because we want to free up the space in the omu and use most of the heat to do the bois. So we've got the crabs and also fish to bake. I've just popped in the ham inside the oven and also wished my wife a happy Mother's Day. So we're just gonna wait on this and then we'll get cracking on with the other dishes. So it'll be a quick turnaround for us. Probably 3 hours max to do all of this, and we've also got oka, so a lot to do. But I think we should be okay. My mom's running a bit late, but she'll be here to join us for tonight. So yeah. Alright fam, just came to drop off the crabs here at the house. As you saw there, the size 2, it's more like size 4, was came out really good. Just the backside of the pig, it didn't get that brown crisp we wanted, which is why we tilted it back onto the omu just for a few minutes, and then we're going to take it off. But yeah, so far so good. Also done the crabs. Now to get the fish and then get the pigeons. Alright fam, so back in the house, and yes, I saw episode last week, someone saying if this was the new house. Yes, this is
my wife and I's new house. Anyway, so yeah, this is the new house. Living room in the front and the back. Got the fish here, and these are the pigeons. Now we didn't kill the pigeons. They were actually gifted to us. I think they were gifted. I'm not sure, but yeah, we're gonna boil them for a soup. All right, I will get back to you. All right, so just popped in the shower just now, just to refresh before we start other cookings. Found out the pigeons were from my wife's sister, so Lois just gutting it now. You guys can see there. Now it's believed that these pigeons are endangered species, and conservation people try to stop people from hunting the pigeons. But food is food. Let's go. Just a small table kitchen we did in the back here. We're about to build a kitchen in the back there, but this is just a small setup we got just so that we can cook some other stuff outside of the house, because there are a lot of flies go inside. Alright, just gonna check on the ham. Oh yeah, she's coming around good. Let's go. So we got the hoka there. I've just popped the fish into the oven now, so that's gonna take a while. Ham's coming along nice. Fish in there, black pepper and butter. We'll add the lemon afterwards. We've got the beef soup, and then we've got Faiai. It's in there. It's just dark. All right. Alright, so we're just outside. We're gonna check on the crab and the pigeon soup. The pigeon soup we just popped on about like 5 minutes ago, so it'll be a while. But crabs, good lord, let's go. Very nice. Ooh. Pigeon soup. There we go. Alright, rain's coming in. That's the Taro nursery we got in the back there. So yeah, guys. Alright. Just saw my mom's car pull up, so we'll just head over there and bring them in the house. Alright, so we're just leaving the house. Me and Siave, we've got, so you guys see there, we've got to take the Toonai for the Faiai, and then another Toonai for one of our family members, just around the corner. So we'll go do that now. If you guys, I think you probably remember, you know, these kids these days are very fortunate, you know, use the car. But you know, back then in we all find our Faiai we have email, so you know. Kay mi mong swing ali av. Alright, so just finished dropping off the food. We're just gonna head to the shop now to grab some soft drinks for the Sunday Toonai. But it is pouring now. Yeah. Bakim wala me. Which means they ngale umar ko ngai moelo. Oh. Alright, so we're almost home now. Very eager to get Toonai started. The family's probably already started, so me and Siave will just join them now.
Alright fam, so just gonna explain Toonai for today. We've got the ham there, so I took off the the skin from the ham because it was nice and crackly. Coming up to the Luau and Taro from Maumu. We've got the crab there that was done in coconut milk and a bit of curry. Faiai there, that was also done in coconut cream, and the ink sack we took. And the faspua. So really nice Toonai here. Show you guys the fish that was done in butter and also our pigeon soup. So yeah, lots of food for this Sunday Toonai. A big thanks to all the family, my wife's family, especially her sisters who helped us with the most of the seafood that you guys see there. So also to Uncle for helping us with the umu, especially with the large pig. The size too that we had to go on the umu. So really big Toonai and really enjoyed it, especially having mum over. So I think the kids really loved it. You know, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity to have mum over. So we really enjoyed this Sunday Toonai, especially for Mother's Day. So enjoy the slow-mo guys while I enjoy eating. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Alright, so after Toonai, just hung around the living room. Wife also served us cake she baked. And yeah, so just cracking a few jokes and the kids enjoying the time with mom there. You know, it's been a long time, so I think they're really much enjoying it. But again, all good things must come to an end. And after about an hour or two, it was finally time to say goodbye. And then my youngest son there starting throwing fits again. Because he didn't want to see his nana leave. So, you know, all kids are like that. Alright guys, it is now coming up to 9 p.m. at night. This is what happens when you eat too much food. So I do apologize for not ending the episode earlier, but you know, just got time. Woke up not too long ago, had a bit of coffee just to wake up the eyes. I mean, it's like 3 hours till bedtime, but anyway, it's all good. hope you guys have enjoyed the episode today. The content we made, for Mother's Day. It was great to have Mom over for tonight today, so we really enjoyed it with the kids, especially Uncle and all of us here. So it was a great time to spend with Mom, and also my wife, for happy Mother's Day. So just want to wish everyone, all the mothers that watch our channel, a happy Mother's Day. Thank you for tuning into the channel every Sunday. Hope you guys were spoiled for Mother's Day. If you have enjoyed our content today, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Guys, we're going to sign off now. Have a great week. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless. Take care. Stay safe. See you guys soon.